We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello everyone. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day? Today we're making some delicious okra and tomatoes, y'all. Yes. And here are our ingredients. Here I'm showing you our ingredients. I have some frozen okra, onions, tomato sauce, black pepper, and some salt. And the only thing I don't have here to show you is my diced tomatoes, but we're also going to use diced tomatoes. So I'm going to chop these onions up the way I want them. If you want yours smaller, you can. If you want them larger, you can. You just cut them up any way that you prefer, okay? Here in my pot, I am adding maybe a tablespoon of cooking oil. I'm using the canola oil, but you can use the oil that you prefer. Here I'm turning my heat to maybe medium high because we don't want it on high because we don't want our onions to burn. Here we're adding in our chopped onions. Like I say, you can chop these any way you prefer. You can just make, just chop them into rings if you want to. Chop them into bigger pieces if you prefer. Now we're adding in our okra. Yes, I'm going to use that whole big bag, y'all, because I love okra and tomatoes, y'all. And I'm just mixing the okra and the onions together here. Yes, I'm just mixing them together. The more you mix them, the faster they'll start cooking. These are the frozen okra. You can also use the fresh okra if you prefer, because they do sell fresh okra now since it's the summertime, and you can buy fresh okra, and that makes this so much better. But when you don't have it, you use what you got, and I use the frozen okra as well. Letting you know that I am cooking this on a medium high heat, and so don't cook these on a high heat. Make sure it's a medium high heat, because we don't want our our okra and onions to burn. So just keep it at a safe heat. Here I'm continuing stirring up our okra and onions. I'm getting these warmed up before I add in the rest of my vegetables. Here we are adding in our diced tomatoes, and I didn't have any rotel tomatoes. I prefer the rotel tomatoes, but if you don't have it, just use the regular diced tomatoes. And if you want to add a little spice, you can add, some cayenne peppers or something like that, or some black pepper just to give it a little spice. And I'm using 2 cans of diced tomatoes. You can substitute these diced tomatoes, the canned ones, for the fresh ones. Just dice up your fresh tomatoes and add them to your okra. Here I'm adding some tomato sauce. This gives your okra and tomatoes a more bold flavor. To me, it does. It won't make it taste so bland, but you can use a puree tomato or the stewed ones. Here I'm adding some black pepper. And now I'm adding some salt. Now it's time to mix this deliciousness together. Y'all, I love me some okra and tomatoes. This is one of my favorite side dishes. And if you want to, you can always add ground beef or ground turkey into this and make this a meal, a one pot meal. Just pre-cook your ground beef and add it to your okra and tomatoes. And, and it is so, so delicious. You can add corn to it. You can make this recipe yours. Here I'm adding in a little water, but if you want to, you can always add either chicken broth or vegetable broth to this. And I'm continuing stirring to make sure everything is mixed in well. Here I'm adding a little more black pepper. I like that little spice to it. And sometimes I add cayenne pepper, but since my husband loves this dish, he loves black pepper, so I'm adding more black pepper. I'll let you know, like I said, we're cooking this on a medium high heat. We're going to cook this on a medium high heat until it begin to boil. When it begin to boil, I'm going to, turn it down just a little bit more, like on a medium heat, and just let it simmer. And make sure to add a lid so that it can cook faster. And remember, time to time, go back and start stirring at the bottom. Make sure it's not sticking, and just keep stirring it time to time until it gets to the tenderness that you're looking for. I let my okra and tomato dish cook for like 45 minutes. It all depends on how you like yours. I don't like mine just cooked to pieces. I don't want my okra cooked to pieces. So I cooked it like I said, on a medium heat, and it just simmered and it got to the tenderness that I wanted. So like I always say, y'all taste it. Taste and see if it's the tenderness that you're looking for. If it's not, keep on cooking it until it does. Here I'm tasting it to see how it tastes. Is it tender? And I'm tasting for flavor. Here I'm adding a little more salt. Okay, we're giving it one more stir, and then we're going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, it's all ready and good to go. I'm serving this along with some boxed mac and cheese, y'all, and a piece of chicken. That is what I'm serving mine with. Can y'all tell me what would y'all serve yours with? Because this can go along with a lot of different sides and meats. Please let me know, what would you serve with your okra and tomatoes? Okay, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed cooking with me as much as I always enjoy cooking with you all. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed. And remember, Jesus loves you, and I do too. Be blessed. My word for today is keep being that loving and sweet person that you are, because you never know who's watching you and want to be just like you. Okay?
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
That's a hit!